Hey guys, today I'll start building my small chicken coop. I want a coop that is portable or small enough that I can grab and put in different places of the garden depending on the season. So during summer I'll have the coop under the fig tree, plenty of shade. Also the fig will fall, the chicken will love it. And during winter I will bring that chicken coop to a more sunny place. The coop will be built with reclaimed materials, all of it apart from the chicken wire, which I will have to buy. But the wood, this was ripped from leftovers of my shipyard. They use it for boat building, uh, stuff like this. I just go there, take it, and then I'll rip it on my table saw. This is already treated, so it shouldn't rot easily. These bits here were given to me by a friend. They are leftovers from an outdoors kitchen that he built, so I will use that as well. For the roof, I'll be using this. I went to my in-laws the other day and he was building his dog a new doghouse. So he was going to bin this and I said, no way, I can use it. So this will be the roof for the chicken coop. Building the coop from reclaimed materials means I am somewhat limited to the sizes of what I can build. Let's say the width of the chicken coop can be no more than 78 centimeters, which is the width of these panels. Okay, so first I'm going to build this side and then the opposite side, and then I'll join it with cross beams. For the roof now, I'm gonna join these two like so. Okay, that's one side done, and one more to go. Not too bad. Okay, 8:15, still 34 degrees. Time for a shower and dinner. I'll carry on tomorrow. Hi, welcome back. So today I'll be taking care of the support for the, I guess we can call it the floor. So this part here first, and then we'll see what's next. So these panels are 30. If I want 40, I need to cut a strip of 10 centimeters to go all around, and then I'll apply the 30 centimeter panel on this side. On the other side, we'll see. Now I'll put the chamfer here to go slightly underneath this one. Okay, this chamfer is to ensure that water running down doesn't go in there, because there's a slope. Of course, now I need to do the same for this piece. If I had a bigger piece, I would avoid 2 chamfers, but that's all I've got. So this one here needs to come off as well. Okay, now that I've got that strip there, I know more or less where this will go. Okay, the structure is ready now for the floor. Originally I had it run this supports running one from there to there, but I think this works better, and since I had plenty of short pieces of wood, I used them instead of the long one. This will go in here, because here will be the nest. Right, and before I close here the sides, I want to close this here and there. It will be done like this. Obviously not this piece, but one that fits. Yeah, so screwed here and screw from the inside. Okay, this is where we're at now. Got the perch there. This side will be removable because I need to be able to clean the coop. Just need to put a lock here. And now I'm going to build the nest. Right, the nest is 29 by 29 by 34, well 32 here. I wanted to give it a bit more width and depth, but I didn't have enough material, so 29 by 29 it is. Okay, third day. I haven't bought the net yet, or the chicken wire, so I will do the roof and probably the removable panel from either the top or the sides, because I need access to the coop. But yeah, one thing at a time. The roof now. Okay, now for the top here, I think I've got some old stuff here that I could use. I think that's good enough. Yeah, I guess that might do. Okay, I have pre-fitted this, drilled the holes, put the screws in. Now I know exactly where it goes to, so I can come here and cut the tops, so I can have some ventilation at the top of the coop. Oop. Okay, I don't like the way this looks, so let's do something about it. Just to make it look a bit better. Still just light enough. It's not the weight, it's more, it's bulky, it's odd to grab. Okay, now I need to put the chicken wire there, and I'm going to remove this and staple the wire to this first, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, the chicken wire is pretty much all done. Now I need to work on this top frame, which will be removable, so I can gain access to the inside of the coop and put the feed, water, work this, or handle this door, and maybe even grab a chicken if I have to, although that might be a little bit challenging, but anyway, let's do this frame. Okay guys, that's the top done. There are a few details still missing, like how I'm gonna lock this, the access ramp there, the bottom of the coop. I actually ran out of material. I don't know what I'm gonna use to make this bottom here, but I'll have to forage for something. So, if you like my chicken coop, or if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can see me finish it on the next video. See you soon.